Today, we're going to start working on the construction of Abraham's new room.
On the road, yes. He's gonna be a farmer boy today. Where's the bunny?
One of the things about driving onto the beach that you have to do is let the air out of your tires.
I'm John, and this is Danny, and this is our home, Taterbug. We've been living on the RV for about a year now, and have recently acquired some very precious cargo. Meet Abraham. So subscribe and follow along to watch it all go down as we move around from town to town. Here we are in Maryland. Arrived here last night around 10 p.m. from Maine. We left Maine around 6 a.m. Didn't record a second. It was a last-minute decision to come back down here and bartend again. Yesterday's trip was rough. This morning I go to plug in Tater into its 50 amp outlet, and it's weird because some of the electronics wouldn't turn on, like the microwave or the fridge. The fridge actually had displayed an error code that said AC high, which I looked up, and it means it was high voltage. And just as that was happening, I go outside to kind of inspect the outside plugs, and the power box is smoking, white smoke. So definitely a small electrical fire. I'm gonna leave it alone from here and call in an RV dude. Day's finally here. The RV mechanic is outside in the parking lot with his buddy, and he's an electrician. He knows his stuff apparently. So I think they've already got to the bottom of it. I'm pretty sure it was just a plug. We're gonna find out.
A regular screwdriver, Phillips head.
That's what that white stuff is, corrosion?
Mm-hmm. He got a camera thing.
Oh, yeah.
Click.
Gotta go get the table saw and get you swinging. Watch aim for me?
Mm-hmm. Go for it.
Go for it.
We don't really think about things, do we, honey?
That's right. Just think about it later. It goes here?
Mm-hmm.
Today, we're going to start working on the construction of Abraham's new room, his new bedroom. He's finally outgrowing the setup we have for him on the side of our bed. So this is gonna be the railing, just a couple planks I picked up at Home Depot, $6 a piece. Abraham, you're a little young for power tools yet, buddy. Just a nudge. We got Uncle Spence going on.
Well, I didn't go through hair and makeup. Do I gotta come back later?
No, we like it raw, wet, and wiggly out here.
Oh, I like it hanging dong. Do I have to do that too?
No, you're a little old.
So where we're at right now with it is we've got the railings cut out to fit here. What we're going to do is go to Home Depot and get some brackets to secure into this wall, because this wall is actually pretty flimsy. It's actually not a full thick wall. So we're gonna do some brackets rather than just screwing the screw right into the wood and into the wall, because we're anticipating Abe, just yanking on this thing like the little monster. The next step here is we're gonna char it. This is the method of shosugiban, founded by the Japanese. Basically, you just char a nice sappy piece of pine, and those are the lines that raise up.
After doing this a couple times, I noticed the trick is not to keep it in one place for too long, otherwise you tend to burn one spot and you lose that pretty line design that you get, and it's just charred. It's just charred. It's technically more of a Assateague bond finish than what we're doing here. This is a take on it. This is Assateague on. It's supposed to be that black. That's how they. That's not what it's like. Here's the first board going in. You can see it's tucked nicely behind this piece of white here, and there's the anchor points. We ordered some glow-in-the-dark stars. You know how we used to have growing up here? Yep.
So where are you gonna put all the clothes?
So on top of this project, alongside of this project rather, and I cut these shelves today to fit in here. So we got 2 more shelves to do, and this will be 10 times more storage than we have.
Yeah, great, good
So
job.
hopefully that's gonna be.
This is so cute.
We're done here with the bare bones edition of Abraham home remodel. We got our railings in, spaced 6 inches apart. That was a measurement we took off Abe's head, making sure he couldn't get his head stuck in here. There's a Tempur-Pedic mattress, but you can cut it exactly the size. A lot of you might have a question being, well, where's Danielle gonna do with all the clothes that she had hung up here? They're all right here right now, forgive the mess. The answer is, she's got that side closet there that used to be Abraham's. We've got that side closet there, so those can hang clothes. And additionally, I've expanded our shelving by putting these in. These did not come with Tater. What we were using before, really inefficient, it's not space efficient, and all plastic bins. So hopefully with this expansion and taking Abe's clothes out of these, right here, that should be enough room for Danny to put her clothes in. If not, we'll have to figure something else out, but she's pretty low maintenance. I got a feeling it's gonna be all right. All right, Abe, you ready to see your bed for the first time?
I'm gonna take him and put him
This
in
is
the
your
bed.
first own bed, your own bedroom. This is a bedroom technically, can we call it that?
Yeah.
It's not just a crib, this is a bedroom.
For sure.
What? Are you serious? This is nuts. Get out of here.
Bungie?
Hey, what do you think?
Hey.
You like it? Is it tall enough for him?
Mm-hmm.
This boy just won't go to bed.
He's so buddy wrong.
Hey, what are you getting out of that, man? What's that doing for you?
Give me something, something good. I get wasted on the thought of you.
One of the things about driving onto the beach that you have to do is let the air out of your tires. Say about 20 PSI. It's really a feel thing.
Can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Drifting away. I am drifting away. Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose. Cut me loose.
Guys, this is Spencer Brown, longtime family friend, one of the most genuine, unique people that you'll meet.
You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been doing this? Mama, wish that we never met.
right here we have the prefrontal cortex.
Joel would be ashamed.
Garlic and onions, and then chicken broth, sausage, and it's on. So you'll be on it. We have to put the broth on. Ready?
Hope you guys enjoyed this last episode. If so, be sure to click the subscribe button below to follow along on our journey. Next week, we have some fun in the garden and begin our solar panel install as we get ready for our trip to the West Coast this fall. Stay wild.